Whee! It's craft time. Today we're going to make some gliders. What you need for this craft are some cotton swabs. You'll need some colored paper and scissors, and also you'll need some glue or tape. Now, I was looking at the cotton swab and I was thinking that the shape of the end of it is kind of like the nose of an airplane, same shape. So I thought this would make a great fuselage. And we don't need the cotton on the other end of it, so you can just pull that off of the side that's going to become the tail. So I'm just going to take that off. And this is the fuselage for our glider. Now I'm going to need to make some wings, and we're going to use the colored paper for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a little strip of paper to become the wings and the tail. Now you can decide how wide you want your wings. Maybe you want them really wide or really skinny. I'm going to make them a little bit in between, and I'm going to cut the strip right down to make the wings and the tail. So now we know how wide we can make it. Let's decide how long we're going to make it. I think I'm going to make it this time just a little bit longer than the length of the cotton swab. So I'm going to put my cotton swab on there, and I'm just going to measure it a little bit longer than that. And I'll cut it right there. Great. Now we just need to glue it on. And to glue it on, we're going to put a little bit of glue right here and then press the cotton swab into the glue. And this glue is clear, so you can't see it when you put it on, but I'm going to just rub a little glue on there and then press my cotton swab into the glue, and then I'm going to fold the wings up around the cotton swab so that they're right even. And now we need the glue to dry, so we're going to press it and we're going to count. Let's count to 5 this time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that should be enough. Great, that's like a little flag. Now we need to make a tail, and I'm going to take the same strip of paper and I'm going to measure about the length of one side of the wings. I'm just going to cut it right there at the end of where the wing is. There we go. And that's going to become the tail. And we're going to glue it on the same exact way. So I'm just going to put a little glue in the center of that piece of paper and then put it right there on the cotton swab and fold it up around, and then we'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. That's going to be the tail. Now we're just going to fold these wings back the other way. So I'm going to fold them right back up this way, and let's try folding the tails right back up this way. So open them up and then fold them back this way. That's it. And there it is, our glider. You can put a little piece of tape right there if you feel like it's not quite secure enough, or you can secure it with tape instead of glue if you like. But I think it's going to be really great. Let's see if it works. I'm going to throw it. Ready? Here we go. It was pretty fun. All right, you can make these in lots of different sizes and shapes and colors and try them out and see and make a whole bunch of fun little gliders. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you enjoy our crafts, please like our video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get these videos in your subscription box each time we upload one. Thanks for joining us today. Bye-bye.